little mini vacation. We went around Japan a little bit.
Yeah.
And one of the places, we went to so many beautiful places. But one of the places I really enjoyed in particular was Nara.
Yeah, we also went to Miyajima.
Yeah, we did too.
But Nara, what
Nara.
does Miyajima and Nara have in common?
Yeah.
Huh?
Deer.
Nature, yes, nature is around us.
And deer also like nature.
Yes.
Yeah, so and the deer were really cute. They were
A bit violent.
Flashback.
the deer they're wild. They're
Yes,
wild
they're
animals.
wild animals.
But you can feed them. It's okay as long as you feed them the shikasenbe. That's the deer crackers, the rice crackers. You can buy them. There's signs though everywhere. You gotta be careful because the deers we were bullied. They were bullied. We were bullied out of a shikasenbe in about 30 seconds. They're biting you, Mococo-chan.
They were biting my sword. I had a wet spot on it.
End of flashback.
A little bit,
we forgot to
appropriately
say.
violent. I got my ice cream taken away by the deer. We got all the shikasenbe that we got for the taken away in seconds.
But
Yeah.
Fuwawa got headbutted and then promptly sneezed on.
I got sneezed on by the deer too.
Like right away, you got sneezed on.
Right.
Right? How often does it happen? You went, "Ugh."
And my ice cream too.
Right.
That was the most painful part.